Hi guys, my name is MJ. Welcome to Virtu Toy Channel. Okay, next wearable that I'm gonna unbox and show together with you guys is this F40 Liberty Walk. Okay, I've already shown the Pandem R32 in a couple of videos ago. You can check that out. So this would be the latest one that has arrived, and this is actually another special event exclusive. This was for Hobby Expo China. Okay, 2026, and total production was 3,000 units. Not to say really a lot, 3,000 units for global release is actually not much. Okay, so at the event, collectors were actually limited to 2 units per person, and it was actually launched simultaneously with Liberty Walk in Japan as well. Okay, so I'm not sure what was the breakdown, how many pieces in Japan, how many pieces during the Hobby Expo in China. Okay, but this would be the second wearable diecast. Okay, and the third one I believe would be Huma's RX7 in the orange green livery. So I got it out of the box already. We do speed unboxing runs over at Qube, so you can go and check them out as well if you're looking for one. This particular one will be for sale. You can check with Qube for price and shipping. So it's a collaboration between INNO and STANS and also Liberty Walk. Look at that, very nice, very cool Liberty Walk logo on the side. That's actually pretty cool. Liberty Walk slammed. Not a new casting from INNO. They have done this F40 Liberty Walk before already. So in white, what I remember is it came with the there's some slight variance to it. I believe this is not exactly the same as the previous white version. And just to let you guys know, yeah, this is not exactly a new casting. They have done this F40 before already. Okay, so the previous package included a plate, included a card, but this for Hobby Expo China is just the wearable itself. Okay, so when this came out, it literally broke the internet. The F40 is automotive royalty, okay, as we all know. It's a multi-million-dollar Hello car. Okay, to Ferrari purists, you do not touch F40. But Wataru Kato, Liberty Walk's founder, right, does not care about the rules. He took a real working Ferrari F40, cut the original Kevlar and carbon bodywork, bolted on this massive white body kit. He slammed it to the ground and debuted it at Tokyo Auto Salon. Half the world cheered and the other half was absolutely furious. The level of disrespect to tradition is exactly what makes Liberty Walk F40 so iconic. And now we have it scaled down to 164 and you can wear it out with you to car meets. Okay, so it comes with this magnetic mechanism, which I quite like. So, okay, wait, hang on. We start from the top, right? You can hang it, right? You hang it on your back. You can hang it even on your pants, okay? And then it comes with this hanger. So this part, right, is actually something you can lift up, okay? And you can just remove it and you can change it to the other wearable, okay? So this mechanism, right, is magnetic, and the way it snaps on, it locks on. I feel that it's quite secure. Look at that. You can hear it, right? Let me let you hear the sound a little bit. Put it nearer to my microphone. Hang on. There we go. Can you hear it? There. Snaps on very nicely. Okay. Overall build, very premium. Okay. On the bottom, INNO64, produced by the company name, ages 14 plus. D stands 164 scale, collaboration with Liberty Walk. Very nice carbon fiber finishing. Okay, and bottom and top. This strap feels very premium as well. It feels like it's going to last for quite some time. Okay, see the buttons, they are premium as well. It doesn't feel flimsy, definitely not made from cheap plastics. Okay. Now, the only issue I have with this, which is to me a big issue, it's actually secured by rivets. Okay, so there's no way to actually remove this car from the packaging. You can remove it from the base. unscrew. You can just unscrew it, and what's going to happen is the car is just going to fly around inside the case. You can hear it. Wait, let me put it nearer to the mic. There we go. That's some premium casing. Okay, so what's going to happen is if you unscrew it, it's just gonna fly around inside the casing. So don't do that unless you want to destroy the casing. You want to unrevert it, and you got to destroy this strap as well, because this buttons looks permanent too. I don't think it's something you can just unbutton. Okay, all right. So really unfortunate. I would really love to be able to take this out from the case, but unfortunately can't. All right, but it's pretty stylo though. Okay, carbon fiber wing. I want to talk about the car a little bit. Carbon fiber wing, carbon fiber lip in front. The headlamps with the headlamp cover done properly. Seats are in red with a red color roll cage on the inside as well. You can see a little bit of engine detail. Okay, on the side there's the Liquid Moly Sparco logos, Slam logo number 56. Nice, limited to 3,000 units only. Toyo tires. Is it Toyo tires on the? Yeah, it's on sitting on Toyo tires too. Okay, so that's the second wearable. Let me know what you guys think, because I definitely prefer to be able to remove the car, to change the car, rather than being locked in like that. Let me know what you guys think. So on the topic of wearables, right, there are actually two items in Qube right now that I want to just do a quick run through you guys. So that's the one version, okay, that you can carry with you when you go out. Now, there is also this. So this is actually available through Qube. Yeah, you can actually lock in your diecast inside this premium transparent box. So underneath, okay, just show you a quick one. You can hang it like that. It has this secure mechanism to it. Oh, am I turning it the right way? Yeah, it's supposed to go down. Okay, wait. There. Then you can hook it to where you want. Now this part here is really very strong magnet. Okay, there's quite a lot of magnetic bits to it. That's the outer casing, and then you get this inner casing as well. So for INNO, Tarmac, and other brands, you can actually screw it on. But for Mini GT or Hot Wheels, you know, those without the screw, you will have to tag it or double side tape it down. Okay, right there. Just clean up for you guys. There you go. So there's a Mini GT that's sitting in here. Okay, so that's one wearable. There you go. You can keep changing the car. Probably you can put some stickers on it as well if you want to, but this is really premium. There is really some weight to it. Unlike those are actually quite lightweight. I think it's quite easy to carry around. And there's another new one that came out. This is specifically for Mini GT. So this is plastic or maybe 3D printed. The material feels like it's 3D printed. It feels, I think I still consider it sturdy. It feels quite okay. You can hang it as well. Okay, 404 model storage. Quite a different, quite a few color options actually. You can put in the whole Mini GT box in here, and you can lock it up. Pretty cool. Let me know what you guys think about these kind of carry cases. Okay, so as usual, extras available through Qube. They do ship international. You can go check them out. They're on all social media platforms. So that's it for this time around. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to hit the like button, because that will help me out with the YouTube algorithms. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that you don't miss on any other scale model videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.